For some items, it might be best to show information using a table in the question. For example, complete the table below with all the factor pairs of 24. To include a table, you will go down where you see the Add a Widget bar. Below that is an Insert Template bar. You're going to click that button and insert a table. The table will automatically have 3 columns and 4 rows, one for the header and one for each line of data. If you wanted to have an extra column, all you would do is insert a vertical bar and add the title of the new column. You would then need to go to each corresponding row and add a vertical bar as well to include the data for the 4th row. The same thing works if you would like to include less columns. All you would need to do is delete the information in the columns that you do not want to have. So now you can title your header Factor 1, and I'm going to title this one Factor 2. Down below is where you can insert the information that you want to show up. If we're showing all the factor pairs of 24, I can put the numbers 1 and 24. The next factor would be 2, but instead I want the user to input this data. I can add a widget inside of the table. So I'm going to insert a number text box here. Notice that the number text box is quite large. I can go down to number input and look at the width of the box. Because it's in a table, I'm going to click small. Now you can notice that it is a smaller number input. The correct answer for this would be 12. So I am going to write 12. For the next row, I might want the user to add a number input for the next factor. I can include a second number text box here. Again, I'm going to want to make this small. This would be 3 and 8. There's another factor of 24 that is not here, so instead I'm just going to hit the Enter button. I'm going to add the number 4. Because I need to insert a column, I will insert the vertical bar and then write the final factor. This now has created a table with 2 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. If I wanted to center the information, I would add a colon before and after each dash to center the information in front of the table. That will center column 1 and center column 2. Now I have a completed table with number inputs added for the user to complete.